Greetings all. Welcome to the day 4 session of Mastering Excel Analytics. And today we are going to deep dive into what we do in data analysis. So we are coming back to our employee data. So in this employee data, always remember that whenever you're having these different columns and its data, for each column, try to make questions. Like, let's come to salary. Salary is a number-based data. There are numbers in it. So you can ask, what is the total salary of all the employees together? What is the highest salary? Who got the highest salary? What is the minimum, like the lowest salary? And who got it? What is the average salary? Like that many questions you can ask. Like what is the salary range between? All that you can ask. Same way for job time and experience also. When it comes to gender, you can make analysis like how many males are there and how many females are there, how many female employees and how many male employees are there. You can make all such analysis, when it comes to employee data. So when you want total salary, lower salary, higher salary, you're already aware to use some formula, minimum, maximum, average, fine. But suppose if you want to count the number of males. So let me just zoom out a little bit. How many males are there is equal to, let's use a count formula. Count if, open bracket, select this range. Okay, where you have this male and female data, select this range, comma, within double quotes. Right, small m, because our male is determined as small m, not capital M. This is case sensitive. Close bracket, hit enter. Okay, let's do the same for female also. Is equal to count if, open bracket, same data, comma, again within quotes. This time what you will do, you will put f, again small f. Please remember, suppose if I don't put F within quotes, see what happens. It will come as 0. You can see that it comes as 0 over here. So this is the problem. What happens is that F is not taken as a text. If you want F to be taken as a text value, then it has to come between double quotes. Like this. Then see, you get the number of female. If it is a small data, like how we used in the first day, you can filter, select only F, tick mark only F, manually count it, that's fine. But suppose if you have a large data, then usage of formula becomes essential. Now let's say you want to calculate the age of the person. Okay, so what is generally the age? Today's day, from birthday till today's date, what are the number of years? So today's date minus the birthday. That can give you the age in terms of years, years, months, and days. But let's stick on to only years. In today's class, we'll stick on to only years. So you have a formula which is called Datedif. Please see here, Datedif. Open bracket, select the birthday, where the cell where there is birthday, comma, today's date, cell, comma, y. So we need to create today's date. For today's date also, we can use a formula is equal to today, open bracket, close bracket, enter. So automatically, today's date comes over here. Let me pull it a little down. Today's date comes over here. Suppose if it is not in your desired format, you want to make it as date, month, then year, go over here, click on more number formats, click on custom. Whenever you want to click on custom, here you can type as dd/mm/YYYY. Okay, so it will come in your desired format. So you can see that the date comes first, then the month, then the year. So now this is ready. Today's date is ready. So let's use the formula is equal to Datedif, open bracket, let me select today's date, comma, the birthday, comma, today's date, comma, in quotes, mention that it is year that you want. So the age comes in number of years. Okay, the age comes in number of years. So this way you can compute for all the employees. You can get their age. Now, whenever you want to do analysis, I told you make these questions, but you can also make it graphically, very nice and innovative. So I already have some graphs here, but let me just delete it. Okay, so from this employee data table, I've copied the first name and gender. And again, I've taken a count of all males and I've taken count of all females. So with this data, I'm going to create chart. Okay, so just select this, go into insert, click on recommended chart. This is a good start. If this is the first time you're going to explore with charts, and this is a very good one. Click on the first one. This is the bar chart. Click on OK. So you can see that the male proportion is high. So from the chart, you can make an understanding that the male proportion is high and female proportion is less. Okay. So from chart styles, you can select anything. You want to change colors, you can change colors like this or like this. That's up to you. Okay. You can add a chart title over here like gender analysis or something like that. Okay. Suppose you don't like bar chart, you can also go for a pie chart. See what is pie chart? Insert recommended charts. This is your pie chart. Okay. Again, you can go to something like this. You can add in the title and all of that. Okay. Similarly, you can do a bar chart for salary like this. Okay. So this helps to do good analysis. Please note, this is just a tip tool. Whenever in your data, if you have some hashtags like this, okay, it's just because your column width is small. Just select, double click, it will come bigger, that all numbers would be visible. Okay, so with this, today's concept is over. Let's get into our today's assignment. This is the assignment data. So again, it's a student data, the same student data that we saw, but little more additions. So we have totally 60 employees, 60 students over here. We have 60 students. Okay, additionally, we have data is gender. And of course, the total, minimum, maximum, average, all this, we've already calculated and given it to you. Okay, this is already calculated. The formula, it's something that you already know, but we already calculated and given it to you. Grade means based on their total mark, what is the grade that is allotted to them. Okay, and result. Result, passed means they've cleared it. Failed means they didn't clear. ER means expected result or result expecting. Probably they are having some practical exam for which marks haven't come. So because of that, the results are waiting. Okay, so it could be because of any reason. So that is what is expected result. Now, what are the analysis that you can do from here? Okay, let's come to it one by one. Let me minimize all of this and let me open a Word document. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly write down the questions. Okay, so I'll make this data a little smaller. It might not be visible, but it's okay. At least I can see the column headings and I can make the questions. So let me start with, of course, roll number and name. I cannot do anything much about it. Let me start with gender. So how many male students are there? How many female students are there? What is the total number of students? Okay, then Let's come to accountancy. So now accountancy, if you see, this total, okay, this total is accurate's total. But suppose if you want the total accounts mark or average accounts marks, you can create a formula over here is equal to average, open bracket, select all, under accountancy, close bracket, click on enter. Okay, this you can just drag and drop till here. Let's make a heading, average. Okay, then minimum, maximum. Okay, so the formula stays the same, is equal to min. Select the range. Close bracket, enter. Is equal to max, open bracket. Select the range, close bracket, enter. Now, just select the min and max and then drag and drop to the other subject columns. Like this. Just like this. But please remember, since this is not part of your table, give it a different color because it's an analysis table. Okay, or you can make it one row lower. Now, what are the questions you can ask here? Who got the highest mark in accountancy? Then, what are the subjects? Let's see. Okay. Business studies. Next, mathematics. Okay, who got the highest mark in the following subjects and how much? So find out who got the highest mark. That is, for example, highest mark in accountancy is 99. So find out from this table, this column D, who got 99. Again, come to column E, find out who got 99. Here the highest mark is 100. Here also 100. Find out who got 100. See here, Shubhra Prashar got 100 in column F, that subject. Then here it's 96. Same way, you can also do for lowest mark. Okay, who got the, instead of highest, let me make it as lowest mark. Okay, then you can also do what is the average marks of the following subjects. Okay, so the same subjects you can do. Okay, then I think we can do one more thing. Let's find out the total also. So we will know who is the highest, who has got the highest total. Okay, who has got the highest total. So the highest total is 385. Someone has got 385. So find out who has got 385. Answer these questions. Okay. Who got the highest total? Okay. Then how many students got B grade? How many students got B plus grade? Let's see what are the grades. Okay, we have A also. How many students got A grade? Students got F grade. Okay, then we can also ask how many students passed. Please remember, whenever there is this, how many students, how many male, how many female, use count formula. Count if. Okay, please use count if. How many students passed? How many students failed. How many students have ER? Now for all these, you can use combination of, for each of this, you can create bar chart, then pie chart. Okay, get the numbers, then make bar chart or pie chart like this. Let me write the formula here. If you want, how many male students are there? So you will want the formula to be like this: is equal to Countif. Okay, select the range, the table range. Sorry, not table range, that column range. Okay, the column range, comma, then the criteria has to be M. Okay, so let me come here. I'll do one thing. I'll open a new tab. Okay, and I just want the name and gender alone. So I'll copy this, come to this place, paste it. Then I will do is equal to Countif. I will select this whole thing. Comma. Okay, so I have 32. Let me make this as F. So 28 females. So make this as male, then female. Then select this. Select this, go to recommended charts. Okay. Then you can also use, this data, like, copy name and we can try for all the marks together. Let's see. Okay. So again, let me come to a new sheet. I have all the marks. Let me bring the name also. Okay, and let me select this whole data, and let's see what chart can come. Wow, we have a good cluster chart. We can try this. You can try this. This is a good analysis, actually. You can try this one, or even a cluster chart will look good. Okay, but you can go even mark wise. Mark wise, you can create a chart. Okay, just mark wise, you can create a chart. That will also do. Like just select the name, select one subject. Okay, then insert chart. Like that you can do. Now, any chart that you do, please remember, okay, fine, let me just show one over here. Again, I'm getting into simple, or let me do one thing. Always bring male, male, female, write it on the left side. It's easier for Excel to understand, and it will give you good variety. See, you're getting a good variety like this. Let me insert a pie chart. Please remember, I can copy this, come to my, PPT, just paste it here. You can paste it in your Word document also. After pasting, from the right side, choose any design ideas. It will make it look even good. Okay, so use design ideas. Insert a good cover page. Use design ideas to make your PPT even beautiful. Okay, so these are some of the questions that you can think of. Okay, you can go on, explore more questions for data analysis and complete the PPT. Okay, thank you. Thank you all so much for watching this.